Hello, friends. Today's question is simple but powerful. How good is your English? Many learners ask me, how can I know my English level? Well, it's not just about grammar or big words, that it's about how you use English in real life. When speaking, listening, thinking, and reacting so today, we'll find out how strong your English really is, through examples, mini tests, and tips that will help you improve fast. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. The real meaning of good English. When people say, I want to speak good English, they usually mean clear, confident, and natural English. But remember, good English is not perfect English. Even native speakers make small mistakes. What matters is communication. If you can share your ideas, express your feelings, and understand others, congratulations, your English is already good. But how can we check it? Let's test it step by step. Part 2. The listening test. Imagine this short story. Anna wakes up early. She drinks coffee, checks her phone, and goes for a walk. Suddenly, it starts raining. She runs back home, laughing. Now, question time. What did Anna drink? What happened when she went outside? How did she feel? If you understood the story without reading it twice, your listening skill is strong. That if you needed to replay it, that's okay. It means you're improving your focus and vocabulary. Listening is the first step to natural English. So practice daily. Watch movies with subtitles, listen to English podcasts, or even talk to yourself in English. Part 3. The speaking test. Let's check your confidence. Can you describe your morning in English right now? Try this exercise. Say, I woke up at underscore underscore underscore. I had underscore underscore underscore. I felt underscore 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 dot. Even 3 sentences count. If you can do that without switching to your native language, your brain is already thinking in English. The secret? Don't wait for perfect grammar. Fluency grows when you speak more, not when you wait more. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. So be proud of them. Every mistake is a small step toward fluency. Part 4. The vocabulary test. Now let's see how rich your vocabulary is. Here's a quick quiz. Choose the right word. I'm very tired. I need to underscore 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 dot. A. Sleep. B. Eat. C. Dance. It's raining. Take your underscore 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 dot. A. Umbrella. B. Hat. C. Phone. I don't like this movie. It's very underscore 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 dot. A. Exciting. B. Boring. C. Fun. If you got all correct, excellent. If you missed one, don't worry. The key is context learning. Instead of memorizing words, learn them in sentences. Example. Don't just learn the word happy. Learn, I'm happy because I finished my work. That's how your brain remembers faster. Part 5. The grammar test. Let's see how you feel about basic grammar. Fill in the blanks. She underscore 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 to school every day. Goes. I underscore 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 coffee right now. Drink/am drinking. They underscore 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 seen that movie. Have/has. Answers. 1 goes to am drinking. 3 have. If you got them right, great job. If not, don't panic. Grammar isn't everything. It's just a tool to make your message clear. Focus on patterns, not rules. Example. instead of memorizing tenses, notice how people talk in shows or YouTube videos. That's real grammar in action. Part 6. The thinking test thought balloon. This is the hardest part. Thinking in English. Many learners translate from their native language. That's okay in the beginning, but to become fluent, you must train your brain to think directly in English. Start small. When you see an apple, don't think seb or manzana, just think apple. When you feel tired, say in your mind, I'm tired. These small moments build English reflexes, and that's what fluent speakers have, quick English reflexes. Part 7. The emotion test. Do you feel English? When you hear someone say, I'm proud of you, do you understand the emotion, not just the words? That's emotional fluency, the level where you don't just translate, you feel. Watch short clips, emotional speeches, or simple English dramas. Repeat the tone, copy expressions, and feel what they feel, because English isn't just a language, it's a rhythm, a feeling, and a connection. Part 8. How to measure your level. Here's a simple scale. Beginner. You understand basic words and sentences. Intermediate. You can speak slowly, write short texts, and understand simple shows. Upper intermediate. You can explain ideas, tell stories, and understand most movies. Advanced. You speak naturally, think in English, and express emotions easily. Where are you now? Be honest, and remember, every level is progress. Fluency is not a destination, it's a journey. Part 9. How to get better, every day. Speak at least 5 minutes daily, even to yourself. Listen more than you read. Read one short story a day, even children's stories count. Write one paragraph daily about your life. And most importantly, don't be afraid to sound wrong. Because every fluent speaker once sounded like a beginner. Part 10. The final challenge. Before you go, try this challenge. Record a 30-second clip answering this question. How good is your English today? Then, 1 month later, record again and compare. You'll be amazed by your progress. Closing narration. So, how good is your English? If you understood this video, you're already better than you think. If you learned something new, you've just leveled up, and if you're motivated to keep going, that's the real sign of a learner who'll succeed. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar, you don't need a big vocabulary. You just need confidence, consistency, and curiosity. Because fluent English isn't built in a day, it's built one sentence, one mistake, one smile at a time. Keep learning. Keep speaking. And never stop asking yourself, how good is my English today?